Hello everyone, welcome to Downtown Tailoring. Today is such a special day because we are hitting 100,000 subscribers. We are so excited for this day. We've been working very hard trying to make videos enjoyable and useful. Sometimes I even wonder, oh my gosh, there is somebody that paid for the comments? Because, oh my gosh, your comments are so nice, so kind. I cannot express enough gratitude for your continued support on my videos. Thank you so much. For today's short video of the week, I wanted to show you the unboxing of my half-scale dress form. Yesterday, we made a poll and you decided to name her Miss Inch. Hello, Miss Inch. I bought it a few months ago and I love it so much. You can make all your designs, and because it's small, you don't waste time and a lot of material, but you can get a good ideas. And you can practice your sewing patterns and techniques. That's why I want you to have one too. I'm gonna give one away for you. Stay tuned until the end of the video for the giveaway rules. But again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for 100,000 subscribers. I really enjoy making content for you, so I hope that everything will continue to work out. So let's open the dress form. And here you go, this is my box. I'm using a blade to open it. And it seems like it's very well packed. Let me open this tape. Look at it, here she is. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It's like a normal mannequin. It's just, half of a scale. And these are the arms. I ordered the arms extra just in case I want to do designs with a sleeve as well. And let me see what it is. This one, oh, that's the base. Very important. It's very heavy, so it will sustain very well my mannequin. It brought its own screwdriver, and then I'm just unscrew this part, screw it, put it well, put in my mannequin. I'm now mounting the arms, and here she is, Miss Inch. Welcome to our family. So, would you like one for yourself? Well, if so, I left the link to a Google form in the description box. All you have to do is to be subscribed to my channel and fill it out with your name, email, and what you will want to see in the future for our videos. All the giveaway rules will be in the description box. If you do enter, please check your email continuously, because in my last giveaway, some winners didn't respond to us, so we have to choose other ones. Disclaimer, this giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube in any way. I will leave it open for 1 week and then I will close it on July 22nd at 11:59 p.m. After that, I will take all the names, I will put it in the random name generators and reach out to the winner. And then send the mannequin to your house. So guys, that was all for today. Thank you so much again, and share the giveaway with your friends so we can continue to grow and share our knowledge together. Bye!